Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a stunning album page on Squarespace 7.0. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase your photos, artwork, or portfolio beautifully, giving your website visitors something that's both eye-catching and easy to navigate. So if you want your Squarespace site to look more professional and organized, you're absolutely in the right place. Let's dive straight in. First, open up Squarespace. Log in if you haven't already. You'll see your dashboard here where all your websites live. Locate the site you want to work on and give it a click. This brings you into your active website, ready for editing. If you've never explored this area before, take a moment to get familiar. This is the heart of all your changes. Next, let's add a new page just for your album. On the left, there's a little navigation menu. Go ahead and find the Pages option and click on it. From here, you'll see a list of your current pages, like Home, About, maybe Contact. You'll notice a small plus sign, usually at the bottom or top of that page list. Click the plus icon. This lets you add a new page to your site. When prompted, choose to add a blank page. You might wonder why not use a template. Well, starting with a blank canvas gives you the freedom to design your album exactly how you want. It's like starting with a fresh sheet of paper. Once you've created the page, it'll pop up in your list. Very important. Let's give it a name. Click on the page title and rename it to Album. This helps both you and your visitors know where to find your collections. All right, now it's time to actually fill your album page with content. Click Edit on your new album page. This opens up the page editor, the creative playground. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an Add section prompt. Click this to bring up the section options. You'll want to pick Images as your section type. This is where you'll build your album gallery. Take your time with this part. You can click into the gallery to edit and customize it. Maybe you want to feature photos from a special event, artworks you've created, or a portfolio of previous work. Whatever it is, you can add images directly, arrange them in the order you like, and even upload new ones. If you want, mix things up by adding some text, like captions for each image, short descriptions, or even an introductory note at the top. This adds context and helps visitors connect with your content. Don't worry if your images aren't perfect at first. You can always come back and edit later. So far, we've set up the main gallery, but let's add in one more element for a truly dynamic album page. Click Add section again. This time, choose a blank section. Blank sections are really handy. They let you build custom layouts and keep your page visually balanced. Once your blank section is added, you'll see a small gray Add block button. Click that and choose Summary from the list. The summary block is fantastic for showcasing other content from your website, maybe recent blog posts, updates on your latest projects, or links to other albums. You can configure what appears here by playing with the settings, so it fits the vibe you're going for. And that's pretty much it. In no time at all, you've created a tailored album page on Squarespace 7.0. It's looking more polished and professional already, and your visitors will definitely appreciate the organized presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps me out. If you have any questions about Squarespace, or if you got stuck at any step, just drop a comment below. I always read them, and I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.